In the rain-soaked Bathurst 1000, a driver pushes the car to the edge as it slides through turn 1, neon spray filling the night. Behind the scenes, the pit wall hums with precision, split-second tire changes, fuel calls, and one bold decision that seals the final stint. A data desk pours split times while engineers debate aero tweaks, opting for a diffuser shift to coax grip from the drying surface. A daring late-braking pass reshapes the leaderboard, the drivers focus a magnet through the apex. Checkered waves crash, a cruise storm-reading, chaos-mastering win that etches Bathurst into legend for history tonight.